Christmas night, 3 drovers riding blithe and gay looked up and saw a starry sight, more radiant than the Milky Way, and on their hearts such wonder fell, they sang with joy, Noel, 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 Noel. The air was dry with summer heat, and smoke was on the yellow moon, when from the heavens faint and sweet came floating down a wondrous tune, and as they heard they sang all well, those drovers 3, Noel, 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 Noel. The black swans flew across the sky, the wild duck called across the plain. The starry lustre blazed on high, still echoed on the heavenly strain, and still they sang,